Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your very own clan. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device. And once you have logged in, you will end up within the home page. From here, just tap on a clan at the bottom section and you will see the various different clans that are available to join. You can check the various different ones. And after selecting it, you can press the join button to join it right away. Or if you want to create your own clan, tap on the create clan option at the top right corner. This will then take you into the clan creation page. From here, you can enter your clan name at the top section and then choose your preferred language. You can also set a level requirement for anyone who wishes to join this game. The minimum level is level 5, but if you would like to increase it, you can also set it up to be much higher. Then within the preference page, you can choose whether you prefer multiplayer or battle royale. And within the method of applying, if you choose no restrictions, then anyone can directly join. If application required is selected, then you will need to accept each request. And if closed is selected, then no one will be able to join unless you specifically send an invite. Choose your desired option, and you may also add an announcement for anyone who wishes to join within the announcement section. Then at the left side, you have the photo of your clan, which you can edit by pressing the edit button. Once you have selected your desired logo or emblem, tap on the OK button, and now you can create your clan for 1500 points. Go ahead and tap on the create button, and you will now be asked whether you are sure to spend these currency in order to create your clan. Tap on the confirm button in order to confirm your decision, and your clan will now be created. Now, if you have recently left a clan before 24 hours has passed, then you will need to wait for at least 24 hours before you create your own clan. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your very own clan on the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.